This is question 7 on the November Foundation non-calculator paper. Now let's read the question. The question says write down, so that means I don't need to do any work in. I will be needing to just write something down. The fraction of this shape that is shaded. Give your fraction in its simplest form. So it might not just be write down. I might need to just do a little bit of work in if I need to write my answer in its simplest form. So to write down the fraction that's shaded, let's count the number of squares in this altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the number at the bottom of my fraction is going to be 15. And the number of squares shaded, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 over 15. Now that's the fraction of the shape that's shaded. However, if I just write that, I'm only going to get one of the marks. The question says give your fraction in its simplest form, and that's a clue because you're going to have to simplify this down. I need to think about what number could go into both 9 and 5. In fact, from my 3 times tables, I know both of those numbers are in the 3 times table, so I'm going to divide both of them by 3. So 9 divided by 3 and 15 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is going to give me 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3 over 5, that is my answer. That's the fraction of this shape that's shaded, that is being shaded. Going on to part B. Write 9 over 10 as a decimal. So they want us to write that as a decimal. Now, you should know this. You should know this pretty straightforwardly. However, 9 over 10 means 9 divided by 10. And when you divide a number by 10, the decimal point is there, but when you divide it by 10, you're going to move the decimal point one place to the left. Because you're dividing by 10, it just has 1 0. It's going to go one place to the left. So that's going to become 0.9. And that's what I'm going to write in my answer space. 0.9. Write that properly. Okay, 0.9. Okay, going on to the last bit, I'm going to raise the paper up a bit so we can actually see the last bit of the question, part C. Part C says, Tanya says 75% is greater than 0.8. Is she right? Well, 0.8, if I times a decimal by 100, I can turn it into a percentage. 0.8 times 100 is 80, and that's 80%. So Tanya says 75% is greater than 0.8. As if 0.8 is 80%, she's wrong there. So I'm going to write that. Is she right? Explain your answer. So no, she is wrong. 0.8 is 80%, and that is greater than 75%. And that's enough for my answer there. Okay, now this question again is maybe not the most straightforward because a lot of people do have problems with this. Right, make sure you go through it a couple of times, make sure you understand it, make sure you can get full marks in it.